Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel for the ultimate party decoration ideas for home birthday celebration and bridal showers. Consider these creative and festive suggestions. Choose a theme that reflects the personality and interests of your guest of honor, whether it's a vintage tea party or a bridal shower or a tropical love for a birthday bash. And cohesive theme sets the tone for the entire event. Balloons are versatile and budget-friendly decorations, creating balloon arches, garlands, or clusters in the party's color scheme to add a festive atmosphere. Foil balloons in letter or number shapes can spell out the guest of honor's name or age for birthdays. Set up a do-it-yourself photo booth with backdrop props and a Polaroid camera. A smartphone guests can capture fun memories and take home instant photos. Souvenirs customize the backdrop with themed decorations or a personalized banner, creating a stunning daily space with themed tablecloths, honors, and a centerpiece. Incorporate fresh flowers, candles, and a decorative essence to elevate with dining experience. Place cards and menu and add a touch of sophistication to the table setting, showcasing a delectable spread of sweets and treats on a dessert table. Display cupcakes, canned props, cookies, and a centerpiece cake add-on with themed decoration. Add height and visual interest with cake stands, tiered trays, and decorative patterns. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.